Hey guys, I'm Daniel of Pinay Techno Guide, and in this video we will unbox the OPPO F9 smartphone. This unit was sent to me by OPPO, but the opinions in this video are all my own. Here we have the box of the OPPO F9, and we have the sunrise red color variant of the OPPO F9. This has 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. We have the OPPO logo on the sides and nothing else except for the serial numbers at the back. Now let's lift the upper part of the box. And here we have the OPPO F9 smartphone itself. So again, we have the sunrise red version with, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a pattern that appears when you tilt the device. OPPO says this is inspired by petals of a flower, and you can also see the gradient color from red on the top up to a purplish color on the bottom. So this is OPPO's new gradient body design. There are three color variants of the OPPO F9. We have the sunrise red, which is what we have right now. We also have the twilight blue and starry purple. However, the starry purple is not yet released here in the Philippines. I think it will be released later as an exclusive color. We have here the fingerprint sensor in the back above the OPPO logo. And then we have on the topmost part, we have the dual rear camera system of the OPPO F9. And you can see that it's surrounded by metal, although it protrudes a bit. Now on the sides, we have the power button on the right side. Then we have the 3.5mm audio jack on the bottom with the microphone. We have the micro USB port at the center and the speaker grill. On the left side are the volume rocker and the SIM card tray, while on the top is a single microphone. Now let's look at the rest of the box and try to find the SIM ejector tool to take a closer look at the SIM card tray. And here we have the SIM ejector tool. Let's eject the SIM card tray. Here we go. And we can see that this is a triple card slot. We have SIM 1, SIM 2, and the slot for the micro SD card. So you don't have to choose between having a second SIM or a micro SD card because you can have both. Now let's look at the front side of the device, and of course we have this 6.3-inch display that OPPO calls the water drop display. Now why is that? It's because of the shape of the notch. This phone has a notched display, but the notch is smaller compared to other smartphones. Now let's turn this on so we can see clearly what I'm talking about. And oh, it's already turned on. You can see that the notch is unlike any other smartphone before. So instead of the notch occupying a large portion of the width of the screen, it only occupies a small part, just enough to house the front camera. And OPPO managed to keep the proximity sensor and ambient light sensor here, somewhere here, but it's hidden. It makes the device look very clean and premium looking. Now let's set the OPPO F9 aside first while we check the other contents of the box. We already have the SIM ejector tool. Then we have this free jelly case along with the quick start guide and other we have important information guide and a quick guide. So 2 guides for the OPPO F9. And we have this jelly case, free jelly case for the OPPO F9. Let's try to put the OPPO F9 here. And yeah. This USB cable with a green internal color. This signifies that the charger, yes, the charger also has that green color there. This means that it's a fast charger. Since it's an OPPO smartphone, that means it has VOOC flash charge. VOOC flash charge technology, that's OPPO's fast charging technology. I will test the VOOC flash charge on the OPPO F9 later and see if OPPO's claim of 2-hour talk for 5 minutes of charge is true. The last content of the box is a set of earphones. It's a pretty standard earphones. We have a single button for play, pause, and answering calls. And then we have here the microphone. And that's it. That's all the contents of the box of the OPPO F9. Swiping across the home screen is smooth, so no problem there. The quick settings can be accessed by swiping from the top. Here we have the device storage. We have 47.9 is available out of the box. That's 47.9 gigabytes out of the 64 gigabytes total internal storage of the OPPO F9. Of course, we have the Google apps that are pre-installed on the OPPO F9, and they also have some tools. We have compass, phone clone function, and then a one-tap lock screen. We also have phone manager, a theme store, game space, and then roaming, Facebook, and Lazada. I also see here an Opera Mini app for the browser. Now let's check the camera quality of the OPPO F9. Super Vivid is automatically turned on. Let's just turn that off. Then what's this? AI Beauty. Let's turn this off first. Then let's take a picture. So I disabled the beautification features of the OPPO F9 and I'm taking a selfie. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. So automatic beautification. Then beautification is set to 1. Beautification now set to 2. And then these are the different lighting features. So far, the OPPO F9 looks like a good smartphone for the mid-range battle here in the Philippines. But I'll have to test its gaming performance, especially with some of its gaming features. And then the camera, I also have to test its camera outdoors. And lastly, we have to test OPPO's claim of a 2-hour talk time for 5 minutes of charging with the OPPO F9's VOOC flash charge feature. So subscribe to Pinoy Techno Guide's YouTube channel and visit pinoytechnoguide.com. Now you can also compare the specs of the OPPO F9 with other smartphones. Just go to pinoytechnoguide.com/compare. That's it guys, see you on the next video.